Namaste. In today's video, we embark on a divine journey to explore some of the most revered Sri Rama temples across India and beyond. And as a special highlight, we'll also unveil a fascinating map that traces over 2000 Sri Rama temples spread across the country, Ayodhya and Nepal. Our journey begins at Ram Janmabhoomi in Ayodhya, the birthplace of Lord Rama. This sacred site is not just a temple. It is the very heart of Hindu spirituality, where faith and devotion converge. Next, we cross borders to Janakpur, Nepal, home to the magnificent Sri Ram Janki Mandir. Built in 1910 in Rajput style, this temple celebrates the eternal bond of Lord Rama and Goddess Sita. Temples of northern India. In the north, we arrive at the Grand Raghunath Temple in Jammu. With 7 shrines and Mughal-inspired architecture, it stands as one of northern India's largest temple complexes, echoing Lord Rama's devotion. Back in Ayodhya, Kanak Bhavan enchants devotees with its palace-like beauty. Gifted by Queen Kaikeyi to Rama and Sita at their marriage, its serene aura and divine idols are truly breathtaking. Southern spiritual splendors. In Kerala, we visit the Triprayar Sri Rama Temple, where the idol of Rama was discovered floating in water, a symbol of the Trimurti, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Next is Bhadrachalam in Andhra Pradesh, deeply tied to Bhakta Ramdas, who dedicated his life to constructing this sacred shrine, enduring great hardships in devotion to Rama. At Chitrakoot and Panchvati, we relive moments of Rama's exile, Ram Ghat, Janki Kund, and the ashrams where Rama, Sita, and Lakshman stayed, bringing the epic Ramayana to life. In Tamil Nadu, the Erikatha Ramar Temple stands tall with 1600 years of history, a Pallavera marvel that continues to inspire Rama Bhaktas. In Vontimita, Andhra Pradesh, the Kodandaram Temple showcases Vijayanagar grandeur, with Rama holding his bow in a commanding stance. Kerala's Thiruvangad Sri Ramaswamy Temple, known as the Brass Pagoda, is among the 5 great Rama shrines of the region. Eastern and Northern legends. In Odisha, the Ram Mandir of Bhubaneswar mesmerizes with its intricately carved walls narrating Rama's divine story. Near Amritsar, the Ram Deerth Temple marks the place where sage Valmiki sheltered Sita, and where Lava and Kusha were born. In Kumbakonam, Tamil Nadu, the Ramaswamy Temple gloriously depicts Rama and his brothers in unity, a rare and divine darshan. The monumental dream. And finally, we look ahead to Virat Ramayan Mandir in Kesaria, Bihar, a project that will become the largest religious monument in the world, even bigger than Angkor Wat. Blogs and videos. If you are eager to dive even deeper into Rama's divine heritage, I invite you to explore my detailed blog 30 important Sri Rama temples and map of 2000 Sri Rama temples, as well as blog on the Pacha Rama temples around Tiruvannamalai and Tiruvallur. Blogs link are in description. And don't miss my dedicated videos. Pacha Rama temples exposed, a Tiruvallur's best kept secret. Tiruvannamalai, Pacha Rama Kshetrams. What you never knew. These sacred temples, along with thousands more across India and beyond, stand as eternal symbols of devotion to Lord Rama. You can find the links to our detailed blogs and videos in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more spiritual journeys like this. Until next time, Jai Shri Ram.